Listen, understand, speak, repeat. That's it. Okay. As you see on the screen, we have a short story. You will learn how to talk about your family, how to describe your family, how to describe your family members. Also, you will practice a lot of grammar and pronunciation in only 10 minutes. All you have to do is listen to me, read the story with me, and after the story, answer the questions with me. This will help you practice your grammar, your pronunciation, and of course, your listening. So we have a story here. The name of the story is Emily's Family. That S is possession. And that describes Emily's family, the family of Emily. Emily is 25 years old. Emily, as you see in the picture, she is 25 years old. She has 3 siblings, 2 sisters and 1 brother. Sibling is just another word for brother and sister. So she has 3 siblings, but she does not live with them, the family, brothers and sisters and parents. So she lives alone. She lives by herself. She hates her family. She does not like her family. No, that's not true. Emily loves her family and her siblings. She loves her siblings, but she lives with her grandma and grandpa, grandma and grandpa, grandparents, grandmother and grandfather. So she lives with them. And you will see in the picture here, these are Emily's grandparents. Emily's grandparents. They're old, but they are happy and healthy. You see, they look healthy. They don't look sick or like overweight. They are happy and healthy. And they love their granddaughter. Granddaughter. What is the meaning of granddaughter? Granddaughter is these two, they have children, right? They have sons and daughters. Emily is the daughter of their children. So, 2 generations, granddaughter. If I'm an old man and I have kids, I have children, and they have children, those will be my grandchildren. But of course, I'm a young man, so I don't have a granddaughter. That is the meaning of granddaughter. Now, I'm going to ask you a lot of questions about the story and try to answer the questions. It's very simple, very easy. This is simple present. The verb tense is present simple. So all you have to do is just answer questions about the story that I just told you. How old is Emily? The age. How old is she? She is 25 years old. How many siblings does she have? She has 3 siblings, 2 sisters and 1 brother. Does she live with her siblings? No, she does not. You see, if the question is with does she, the answer, yes or no. These are yes-no questions. So, does she live with her siblings? Does she live alone? No, she does not. Does she hate her family? No, she does not hate her family. Does she love her family? Yes, she does. She loves her family. Does she love her parents? Parents, mother, father. Does she love her mother and father? Yes, of course. She does. She loves her parents. Does she love her siblings? Does she love her siblings? Yes, she does. So you see, her, that refers, when we're talking about things belonging to Emily, we say her. Like, these are her grandparents. This is her picture. This is her grandparents' house. So her refers to Emily. So who does she live with? Who does she live with? Well, she lives with her grandma and grandpa, right? She lives with her grandma and grandpa. Are they old? Are they old? Yes, they are old. You know, if you are 70 or 80 years old, you can say you are old. So they are old. The opposite of old is young. Young, not old. Not old. Young. Are they young? No, they're not young. They are old. What about Emily? Is she young? Yes, she's young. Okay. Are they old or young? Are they old or young? They, two people. Are they old or young? They are old. Are they happy? Are they happy? Yes, they are. You see, they are smiling and, right? Yeah. They look happy. They definitely look happy. They are happy. Are they sad? Like, no, they're not sad. Do they look sad? No. They are happy. Are they happy or sad? Are they happy or sad? They are happy. Are they healthy? Are they healthy? Yes, they are. They are healthy. You see, they're not fat or they're not overweight, and it seems like they are healthy. They can move around. Are they unhealthy? Unhealthy, not healthy. No, they are not unhealthy. They are healthy. Who do they love? Who? A person. Who do they love? Who's the person that they love? Who do they love? They love Emily. They love Emily. You see, they have a picture of Emily on the wall, so they love Emily. They love Emily. They love their granddaughter, Emily. Do they hate, not like, or not love? Do they hate their granddaughter, Emily? No, they don't hate Emily. They love Emily. Is Emily happy? Yes. Yes, she is. She is happy. You see, very simple. Here, in only 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, you practiced how to describe a person, how to talk about your family, and how to say sentences in present simple. It's not very difficult. All you have to do is read and understand the story and then answer the questions. And of course, try to answer the questions. Practice speaking by answering the questions. Okay? And that will help you improve your listening, improve your grammar, improve your pronunciation, improve everything by only 10 minutes. That's all you have to do. Practice every day and come back again tomorrow and listen to the same story. This will help you boost your grammar, your pronunciation, and your vocabulary. And you don't have to think about it. All you have to do is just listen, understand, speak, repeat. That's it. Oh, also, comment something that you learned in this lesson. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.